Subscribe now. Nokia 2 smartphone was launched in October 2017. The phone comes with a 5.0-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1280 pixels. Nokia 2 price starts from $103. The Nokia 2 is powered by 1.3 GHz quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 212 processor and it comes with 1 GB of RAM. The phone packs 8 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 128 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Nokia 2 packs a 8-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Nokia 2 runs Android 7.1.1 and is powered by a 4100 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 143.50 by 71.30 by 9.30 high text width x thickness. The Nokia 2 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, accelerometer and ambient light sensor.